Long, long ago, before cities rose and machines filled the world, there were stories carried by wind, whispered beside rivers, and remembered in the hearts of simple people. This is one such story, a tale of a humble carpenter, a man with no riches, no gold or silver to his name, except for one treasure greater than all: honesty. Listen now, for this is the story of how truth shines brighter than gold itself. The Carpenter and the Golden Axe. Long, long ago, in a quiet village surrounded by green hills and whispering rivers, there lived a humble carpenter named Hari. Hari was not a rich man. He did not have silk clothes, big houses, nor bags of gold. But what he had was something far more precious: a good heart and honest hands. Every morning, before the birds even finished their first songs, Hari would rise, wash his face with cold river water, and walk to the great banyan tree where he kept his tools. He would speak to his tools as if they were friends. "Let us work well today," he would whisper. "Let us harm no one, trick no one, and leave the world better than we found it." The villagers respected him. Some loved him, but some mocked him. "What use is honesty?" they laughed. "Can honesty fill your stomach?" Hari only smiled, because the river knows its path, and the tree knows where to grow, and Hari knew his heart must remain true. One day, Hari was cutting wood near the riverbank. The sun was gentle, the river sang softly, and everything felt peaceful. But as Hari swung his axe, slip, the handle grew wet in his hand, and the axe flew from his grip, splashing deep into the rushing river below. Hari gasped. That axe was his only tool. Without it, he could not work, and without work, he could not eat. He knelt by the river, his eyes filling with tears. "O river," he whispered, voice trembling, "I did not harm you. I only lived beside you. But now I am lost." His sorrow was genuine, so genuine that the river spirit herself rose from the water. Water shimmered like silver around her. Her voice was soft but powerful. "Hari," she said, "your heart is pure. Why do you cry?" Hari bowed. "My axe, my only tool, it has fallen into your waters. I cannot work without it." The river spirit nodded slowly. She sank beneath the waves again. When she returned, she held in her hand a shining axe made entirely of pure gold. The golden axe glowed like the sun. It sparkled like treasure from a king's palace. "Is this your axe?" the river spirit asked. Hari looked at the golden axe. He could have lied. He could have taken it. He could have become rich. But he lowered his gaze. "No," he said softly. "That is not mine. My axe was simple. Wooden handle, iron blade, worn with years of work." The river spirit smiled. She disappeared beneath the water again. When she returned, she held a silver axe, shining like moonlight. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Hari shook his head. "No, that is not mine either." The river spirit looked deep into Hari's eyes. Eyes that had never spoken falsehood. She sank once more. This time, she returned holding an old, scratched, ordinary iron axe. The same one Hari had lost. "Is this your axe?" Hari's face lit up. Yes, this is mine. Thank you." The river spirit smiled with warmth. "Because you were honest," she said, "I give you not only your axe, but also the golden and silver ones." And she placed all 3 axes into his hands. Then she vanished, like a ripple becoming still water again. When Hari returned to the village, the people gathered around him. They stared. They gasped. They whispered, "How did he get gold? How did he get silver? He must have used trickery." But when Hari told them the truth, many laughed. "Honesty brought you this? We will see for ourselves." One greedy man named Raghav ran straight to the river with an axe. He swung it high and threw it into the water on purpose, pretending to cry. The river spirit rose. "Why do you weep?" Raghav wiped fake tears. My axe, my only tool, has fallen. Oh, I am ruined. The river spirit nodded. She sank below the water, and returned with the golden axe. Is this your axe? Raghav's eyes sparkled with greed. Yes, yes. That one is mine, he shouted. The river went quiet. The breeze stopped, and the river spirit's face turned sorrowful. Your heart is greedy. You have spoken a lie. So you shall have nothing. And with a wave of her hand, no axe returned. Not even the one he already had. Raghav went home empty-handed. Back in the village, Hari continued his work with a humble smile. He used the old axe to build homes. He sold the silver axe to fund the school. He donated the gold axe to repair the village well. And slowly, the people understood. Not from speeches, not from rules, but from Hari's way of living. So, the moral of this story. My friend, life will offer you golden moments and silver temptations. But remember, a dishonest gain shines only for a moment. An honest heart shines forever. Riches earned by falsehood can be lost, but the wealth of a good name, a clean conscience, lasts longer than gold, longer than silver, longer than time itself. So walk gently, speak truthfully, work faithfully, and the world will open its hands to you. For honesty is not just the best policy. It is the purest treasure a person can own.
Hi friends, I'm your white fairy. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.